so that everybody knows a quick update of what we're doing on the homestead. Let's go. Okay, so this is part of our update for the YouTube channel. And what are we doing right now, honey?
Well, we're doing a few things. You have a project going on, which maybe you'll show a picture of it at the end of this video.
Oops. Yeah.
But the big project going on right now is we're making a rather large, or larger than what we currently have, greenhouse. Using the same methods that we've used before. We're racing winter right now.
Yeah, because the geese just flew, or they're flying south right now. So
yeah, they've been flying south for the last few days. So
yeah, so we're on countdown now. So until the snow, we're going to be like we're locked down with the snow.
Yep.
Maybe even big blizzards. Who knows? Yeah. But let me show you where I am with the canning. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so I already canned. I don't even know what I canned. I canned a ton of corn, a ton of green beans. I did dilly beans. We got tomatoes going. Okay, this is my tomatoes right here. They're next for my salsas. We got this door full, this door full. And I thought I was going to worry about how much tomatoes I have. This whole thing is packed. Oh, well, not that, but what's that? Pork chops? Anyways, we got tomatoes up there, and then we have, this is our cabbage down here, and then the rest of it's tomatoes under there. So that's going to be our my next canning and last canning thing until next year. But let's take you over to the area where we're going to put a new big what do you call it?
The greenhouse is a 40.
No, I'm talking about where he plowed it. It's going to be a big garden. And then he's now putting another greenhouse in. So let's take you over there and show you the progress. And on the way, I'll show you other things that he's done. So let's go. Oh, yeah. I'm waiting for him. He's in the garage. I don't know what he's doing. What is he doing? Husband. Husband. Here he comes. Oh, he's back there. Getting more junk. Okay. So this is I'm going to just show you this while we're waiting. I put up the fall decorations. I have some on the porch over there, but you can't see them through the lilac bush. And then I've made some ghosts out of chicken wire. And I've got solar lighting underneath it, so it'll come on at dusk. And they're white lighting, and down below is like a fire with logs, but I have the orange ones down there to look like embers. So let's go. I'm sure nobody cares about that boy anyway. My husband.
There you go.
There you go. Oh, it feels nice and cool, you know? Woo! There's ducks. Hey, ducks.
We combine the ducks and the rabbits.
We combine the ducks and the rabbits. Let me show you real quick. Stay here, honey. I'll just run. All right. Yeah, I'll show the corn in a minute. Oh, what's your complaints today? Room service? Huh? Just lay me a couple eggs. Okay, here we go. Here's my rabbits. They're inside here for the winter. So, yeah. These guys are pooping for me. Oh, it's not even open. Oh, who did that? We have to open this up for the poor duckies. There, they have to lay an egg in there. There we go. Okay, gotta go. Oh, what's your problem? He wants to attack me. Okay, get out of here. Get out of here. And then this is our corn. I don't think it's going to make it, but because we just might get snow before they're done. But they're doing good. Now, next year we're going to use the 55-day corn and see how that goes. The chickadees are already getting ready for winter. Anyways, back here. Don't want to leave my husband waiting here. Oh. And okay, here, let's go. Let's go. Yep, got it. Hi, Una. Hi, Emo. Hey. Hey, you. Nicodemus. Oh, the babies are over there. Okay. Huh. I know, yeah. I hear ya. Come on. Follow me. This is the pasture my husband made. We'll get up over this way and I'll show you how big it is. Back there, you see the colors, and that's what it looks like. Oh, well, hold on, there we go. There it is, right there. Pearl, Opal, come on, babies, come on. Okay, so anyway, here's the rest of the property, and we're gonna go down here. There's the babies right there. There's the new barn right there. Yeah, look at the Christmas tree. Yeah, see how pretty that is? We're thinking about getting a pond in here, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Like right in that area right there, the low area. And there's the, that's where the other growing field's going to be, or a growing garden is going to be, right here. And that's where the new greenhouse is going to be, right there. Oh, it's beautiful, honey. Yeah. We gotta get it up before our winter. Oh wow, that's way nice. Yep. First time I seen this today. I mean, where we're gonna put this greenhouse. But that is the other. Let me get out and show you. Oh, okay. This is the other garden. It's very big, so I'm gonna have plenty of room. And I did a pH test. I did. Soil testing on this, and it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect according to the testing. pH, everything. Everything is perfect in it. This is going to be my greenhouse right here. Oh, yeah. Give you a better look at it. Wow. That's it. So this is going to be 40 foot long. Is it going to be 40, right? Babe? 40 foot long? It's 12 by 40, I think. Is it going to be 40 foot long? 40 foot long.
Wide, 40 feet long.
Yes.
And as you can tell by this boulders here on the side,
yep.
The ground's quite rocky.
It's pretty rocky.
All these boulders were moved out.
These boulders were all moved out. He moved them all out with his tractor and a little bit of manpower.
If you're wondering what all the white stakes, they are rocks that are too big to be taken out.
Yep, so grow around them or whatever. But there's going to be corn back here. This is all going to be tomatoes in here. I want to be able to can so many tomatoes that I'm not going to need tomatoes for years. And then I also want to stockpile them, because tomato is like the base for everything. Chilies, soups, Mexican dishes, yeah, everything. Tomato is a big base. You got your ketchups and your barbecue sauces, everything. So tomatoes is what it's going to be. 40 foot long tomato run here. And then the rest of it's going to be corn on a cob, sweet corn. Probably half of it's going to be sweet corn. I want my pumpkins. I want my sweet baby pumpkins. My sweet babies, I think they're sweet. I think they're, I don't know what you call them, but they're just tiny baking pumpkins. I want at least a quarter of it with the pumpkin, because pumpkin puree is so good. I mean, I could eat that all the time. And then more, I think over here, I'm not sure what we want to do there. Sunflower seeds, maybe. I'm not quite sure yet.
Corn.
But I said corn. Okay. I think the very front of this is going to be all sweet corn. Because I think the deer are less apt to go up there than down here where it's quieter. Down here, I think I would put my pumpkins. And then what else was I going to put in here? I know we don't need a lot of cabbage, but
spaghetti squash.
No, God, I think just the spaghetti squash. A couple plants of that. They're prolific, man. They just go like crazy. I mean, we still got something to eat in there. It's just just too much. So the growing season is just about over, and now my husband is going to finish up this project before the snow flies, and we're actually, I mean, it's threatening. Every day it's threatening that it might snow. I mean, we're already going through the changes. Let me see if I can zip in here. Trees, yeah. And this is it's not even the end of August yet. It's close to the end of August, but yeah, we're getting there. We only got a little bit of time left. The geese are gone. So, what'd you say?
No, all
over
the
this way.
trees are starting to change.
Oh yeah, right over here too. Let me zip in nice and close. See, right there. Okay, so, and that's what we're up to right now. Anything else that that you can think of that we were doing today, or doing that we have to update? I know we did the bunnies. We did the pasture right there, which is beautiful. You did the run-in. We did the one paddock right there going out of the new barn, and he put in that pasture over here. Let me zoom in over here and show you that right there. You see it right there. Let me see if I can go even closer. Yeah, that's the pasture right there. And that's where we have the dogs occasionally, and then we put the baby goats over there to run around. And then he did this, so it's so great.
Right. The projects we have going on right now are this thing, this greenhouse, and we also have the bees.
Oh my gosh, yeah, we had drama with the bees. We had robbers, so we had to eliminate the robbers. That took us a long time. Thank God my husband was in there. It was just a lot of bees, boy.
Yeah.
But I think we took care of that. And tomorrow is going to be his second round for the, what kind of?
Fogging.
Fogging it for
mite control.
For mites tomorrow. That'll be his second time. He's only got to do it 3 times. And then he's going to lock it up for the winter. And we'll show you a video of him winterizing it. So hopefully it goes well.
Yeah.
Next year, hopefully we're going to have like maybe two more, maybe one more hive.
At least one.
At least one, yeah. And we can start taking the honey from it. So we'll show you that too. But anyways, yeah, one step at a time. But that's it. It's an update. So, yeah. God is good.
All the time, my love.
All
He
the
sure
time.
is.
Yeah.
Ciao.
And so this is what my husband was talking about with my other project. I made this so I could go over the unsightly electrical panels out in the front. So So I made him to cover up those panels. And then down in this corner, I plan on putting things like cut out Christmas trees to go with each season, or pumpkins for Halloween. That's got to be cut out, painted, primed and painted. But I would be able to switch them off season to season. So that's what I was